Hi people, what are we seeing here? Wow, this is spaghetti. Hey guys, guess who cooked this spaghetti? This spaghetti was cooked by my hubby. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy this spaghetti. You know the food where you not cook, you go enjoy am. Yeah, my mom wisdom don't cook put. So guys, sorry for the interruption. My sister just called. That is why the video cut. So you see this spaghetti jollof that my husband cook. I'm going to enjoy it. Hey, I can't wait to eat the spaghetti. Let me serve myself. Let me serve Gabriel first. Let me serve my son. Yes, I think I'm going to give Peculiar one egg. I'm going to give one Peculiar one egg. It's 4 egg go. Daddy boy 4 egg. So Peculiar will take 1 egg. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to eat this spaghetti. It's Papa cookie. Yummy, yummy. Gabby, you want turkey?
Yes.
I put turkey for you.
Yes.
It's too big.
Yes.
Can you finish it?
Yes.
Okay. Gabby say can finish it. That one is enough?
Yes.
It's too much?
Yes.
Oh yeah, take.
Please.
Bon appetit, eh?
It's too much.
It's too much?
Yes, it's too much.
Take the spaghetti if it's too much. Okay. Done. Bon appetit. Take one fake. I can't wait to eat spaghetti. Let me give Peculiar eggs. Give Madame egg. The soccer was with her. Madame will come and take your egg. I can't wait to eat this spaghetti. God go bless my hubby. Let's take this food. Make her see it. I see it hubby food today because I'm so tired. Yes. When I was at home, I just called hubby. Say, no, hubby came back yesterday. Say, me, I'm tired though. I feel like eating spaghetti. But you know, this kind of heat weather to cook is hard. It's very difficult for somebody to cook in this hot weather. So hubby say, okay, I will cook it, oh madam. Now the food is ready. You come and join me, oh. You guys should come and join me. This one is chicken. You guys should come and join me, oh. Let's go. Let's eat this one first. Daddy, we are eating together. Let's eat this one first. So bon appetit, guys. For the people that eat, the people that don't eat, bon appetit. Oh, join. Yes, so Uno married was my way sabi cook. My husband can cook spaghetti. Alright, guys, see you. I just want you to know this. Just want you to know. I just say, let me update my people. I say, let me update my people that hubby cook spaghetti. See you guys. You want to eat now? The table is set. Let me go and bring cold water. Panache go use egg carry this heat. Panache go use. Gabby, let me bring juice for you. Okay, juice for Gabriel and Peculiar. This is watermelon. No, she used to eat it like that.